Is your ALDI mobile app failing to open or function correctly? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many users experience issues with the app, but often the solution is simple. This video will guide you through the most common fixes related to cache, updates, and login problems, helping you get back to managing your ALDI mobile account smoothly. Recent updates to the app, version 4.8.2 for Android and 3.2.1 for iOS as of October 2025, have addressed some stability issues, particularly on newer devices. However, problems can still arise, especially after OS updates or during peak usage periods. Let's dive into the solutions. First, try clearing the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, ALDI Mobile, Storage, Clear Cache. This frees up memory and often resolves not opening issues. Next, ensure your app is up to date. Check the Google Play Store or App Store for the latest version. Updates include bug fixes and security patches that can resolve compatibility issues. Finally, troubleshoot login problems by verifying your account details, resetting your password via ALDI's website if needed, and ensuring you have a stable network connection. For persistent login issues, try disabling any VPNs you might be using. If these steps don't work, contact ALDI customer service for further assistance.